Tell me about it. What do you have there?
Cricket. A cricket is the most creature in the world that hops. See those back legs right there? Those back legs are an extended hop. They hop like very far, and these guys eat leaves and mushrooms and lots of stuff, and even aphids and stuff. And we are again here with this guy. Here.
Where'd you find him?
He was over there under that flip rock that we flipped over. And he was take a picture of my slug.
Oh, there's a slug too.
Yep, got them. Yeah, he was there too. How many the best ones? This guy was like good, so here.
Cool. How do they chirp?
They chirp with the wings, but this one doesn't seem to have wings. Oh, okay. Here's a sweat bee.
Okay.
Be brave. Stay wild. Now can we do the one about the spider I found too? Get it off. Hey, shoot. Get. Get.